Discover Toorongo Falls Reserve, a hidden waterfall paradise. Welcome to Toorongo Falls Reserve, a breathtaking nature escape hidden in the heart of Victoria, Australia. Located near the town of Niji, just a 2-hour drive from Melbourne, this reserve is home to two stunning waterfalls, Toorongo Falls and Amphitheatre Falls. The 2.2-kilometer loop walk takes you through a lush rainforest, with well-maintained trails and wooden bridges leading you to incredible viewpoints. Feel the fresh mist on your face as you stand in awe of nature's beauty. The sound of rushing water and the calls of native birds make this a truly peaceful retreat. Toorongo Falls Reserve is perfect for a relaxing day trip, a refreshing hike, or even a photography adventure. Looking for your next nature escape? Visit Toorongo Falls Reserve and experience the magic yourself. Like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures.